We have a surprise for nanay. Today is the birthday of my mother talaga. From Joy Alcaria. Basahin namin yung aking biyanan.
Eh, kaso ayaw mag...
The corner.
Oh.
The church.
Ayan, so surprisahin namin si nanay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Video.
I know this
Oh.
street.
Oh, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sino yung anak mo, Nay? Wala ka. Sino yung anak mo, Nay? Happy birthday, Nana. Yay! Surprise!
No.
Oh, yay! Oh, Nanay Blue ka. Oh, yan ang surprise, Nay. Happy birthday. Galing kay mami ni Atara. Si Joy. Ngayon lang yan.
Joy.
Yan ay natid lang.
Natid lang. Sinundo sa... Oh, teka lang, wait lang. Anong wish mo, Nay?
Wish ko lang.
No, keep it a secret.
Secret lang daw yun.
A secret? Okay.
Thank you, Lord. Wala naman taong nagbigay nito eh.
Yay! Yay! Blow na, Nay. Walang ano si Nanay. Wala palang ipin to. Okay, one. Okay, you blow it now.
The kids will blow it.
1, 2, 3. Woo! Yay! Fair to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hindi alam ni Nanay. Oh, dalawang cake mo, Nanay. Dami mo ng cake. Oh. Okay.
Wait, let's this.
Wala. Di ba kahapon?
Competition. Break
Tsaka ngayon.
Sana yung may
Okay.
Malis lang, natid lang.